Hi everyone, meteorologist Chester Lampkin with your severe weather update here on MetService TV for the Wednesday-Thursday time period. There are numerous heavy rain warnings in place across Northland, parts of the Bay of Plenty, Coromandel, and into the South Island as well, including the Nelson region where we expect some really heavy falls, parts of Marlborough and into Buller and Weston. So there's the full list there. Northern Marlborough out towards the Nelson region, Westland, Buller, and also into the North Island where we have watches in place about the Auckland region, out into the central high country, northern Gisborne, and into the high country and the headwaters of the Canterbury rivers and lakes. In addition to that, we also have the wind watches and warnings in place too. The gale winds are possible Northland all the way through Auckland, the Waikato, and back into King Country, and then southward into the Mount Taranaki area, including the lowlands, and as well as Manawatu. There are also watches in force for the Coromandel region. Gusts could exceed 120 kilometers per hour. Let's get to the maps. I want to show you the expected rain totals. Northland up to 150 millimeters of rain for Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Coromandel up to 100 millimeters of rain Wednesday night into Thursday afternoon. Bay of Plenty up to 160 millimeters of rain sometime late tonight, Wednesday into your Thursday evening, and Mount Taranaki also up to 150 millimeters of rain expected there. The Nelson region, the heavy rain is already beginning up to 200 in the ranges, but in the coastal regions, including Nelson City, we can get up to 120 in those regions. Northern Marlborough in the ranges up to 180 millimeters of rain today and tonight into tomorrow morning, your Thursday morning, up to 100 millimeters in the main centers like Blenheim and into the Marlborough Sounds. Buller and Westland for your Wednesday, all the way through your Thursday morning in the ranges up to 220 millimeters, but down along the coastal regions up to 120 millimeters of rain. That includes Greymouth, Hokitika, and up towards the Westport area as well. You can see those heavy falls there. Nelson, especially very heavy rains there. Richmond ranges, the Northwest ranges, Mount Taranaki, and some moderate to heavy falls expected as well from Coromandel back into the Northland region, parts of the Bay of Plenty, and northern Gisborne over the next couple of days through Friday, very early in the morning hours. I want to show you the map showing these storm systems coming through, series of low pressure centers moving down the Tasman, and they spread heavy falls along these boundaries all the way through Thursday morning. This is Thursday morning now, and you can see heavy falls expected from Auckland back towards Taranaki, scattered rain about Wellington, some heavy rain continuing in Nelson, Kaikoura, Greymouth. That'll ease on the South Island during the morning hours, stick around the North Island through afternoon and early in the evening, then finally slide away off to the east. And the last element of this, some gusty winds, up to 120 kilometer per hour gusts, Northland, Auckland, parts of the Waikato, maybe into Coromandel, Taranaki, and especially about the mountains and southward towards Manawatu. That should all ease during the day on Thursday during the afternoon hours. Latest watches, warnings, and the rain radar, MetService.com.